begin. Now this value is for angle set. It's similar like a torque set. The first should be setup, press system setup, password, enter. Here should display the password is correct. Then be back. The yellow parameter is angle control. Now here you should now we should set the angle control. Press the parameter, and now you can see here the target angle is 720. Now I will change it. For example, I should set 1000. Enter. The no limiter is 0. Now I should set 500. Enter. Then back. Here should display save changes. Now press yes. Okay, finish.